Hello kids. Today we are going to revise the lesson the solar system. Lesson number 1, the solar system. Okay. First we revise the lesson in small short points, some points. 1. The sun is the star closest to the earth. Sun is the star closest to the earth. Second point is the heavenly bodies that move around the sun in a fixed orbit are called planets. The heavenly bodies that move around the sun in fixed orbits are called planets. 3. There are 8 planets including the earth in our solar system. How many planets are there? Total 8 planets are there including our earth. 4. The line where the earth and the sky seems to meet is called the horizon. Where the earth and sky meet, that seems to meet is called, that point is called the horizon. Fifth point is earth is the only one planet known to have life on it. Earth is only one planet that has life on it. Only on it known to have life on it. Okay, now we'll solve the exercise. Tick the correct options from those given. A. 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. The earth is a member of a group of 9 planets or 8 planets? 8 planets. C. The smallest and closest to the sun is Mercury. The smallest and closest planet to the sun is Mercury. Now we'll see. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. A. The earth is round in shape. The earth is round in shape. The earth is round in shape is correct, but it is geoid shape. Earth is round like a ball you studied in first standard, but here in this book, earth is geoid shape. It is a little flat at bottom and little flat at the top. Understood, no, kids? So you write here false. 1B. 1/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. No, false. 3. How much water covered? 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. So it is false. Pluto is known as a dwarf planet. Yes. D. The solar system belongs to a larger group of heavenly bodies called the universe. Yes. Next question is, you wrote here true, no? Okay. Next question is 3. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Here options are given: red, orbits, Uranus, brightness and horizon. A. The line at which the earth and the sky seem to meet is called horizon. The line at which the earth and the sky seems to meet is called the horizon. B. The sun is the star that appears brightest from the earth. The sun is the star that appears brightest from the earth. C. The fixed path in which the earth and other planet. Fixed path in which the earth and other planets move around sun is called orbits. D. Mars is also known as red planet. Mars is also known as red planet. E. Uranus. In place of dash you write Uranus is light blue in color. Uranus is light blue in color planet. Here are tick the correct. State the statements are true or false and fill in the blanks. Revision over. Now we are going to see the match the columns. Okay kids, so look in this one. A column Neptune, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn. In B column second largest planet, fifth planet, blue planet, coldest planet and smallest planet. Okay, now you read this one and join carefully. Neptune is which one planet? Coldest planet, because it is very far from sun. Neptune, coldest. Earth is blue planet. Earth is blue planet. Jupiter, fifth planet. Saturn, second largest planet. Jupiter, fifth planet, and Saturn, second largest planet. Understood, kids? Now we are going to see the question answers. Answer the following questions. What is the solar system? Draw the solar system and label the different planets on the sun. What is the solar system? Draw the solar system diagram and label the different types of planets and the sun. Look here, kids. The solar system is the sun's family. Solar system is the sun's family. It consists of the sun situated at the center and other heavenly bodies revolving around it. It belongs to a larger group of heavenly bodies are called the universe. Understood, the kids? Solar system. You draw this one diagram and label the all planets' name along with the sun. Okay? Then see here in this picture I drawn the diagram and label the all this one name of the planet. That type you write and along with the sun. Now we are going to see the second question. These are all question answers I will give in homework. Name all the planets in the order they are situated from the sun. Name the all planets they are situated from the sun. This type name. First write Mercury. Second name write Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Write sequence wise. They are situated from the sun. Mercury, Uranus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Next is third question. What actually is the blue sky at we seem while we look up. What actually is the blue sky that we see while we look up? The earth is known as the blue planet. When we look up, its reflection is seen in the sky. Its reflection is seen in the sky. Understood, kids? So, next question is D. Which planet appeared to be brightest and dawn dusk? Which planet appears brightest and dawn dusk? Which one planet? Let me know. The planet Earth appears to be brightest and dawn and dusk. E. Which according to you are the hottest and coldest planet, and why? Here you see, kids. Coldest and hottest. Mercury planet is near to the sun, so it is the hottest planet. And the Neptune planet is very far away. It is very far away from the sun. Very far away from the sun. So it is the cool planet. This time you read the lesson, solve the exercise again once time. Understood, no, kids? Today we revised the lesson, the solar system. These all question answers I will give you in homework. Understood, no? Thank you for watching the video.